Hey, what's going on YouTube? It's your boy Rico, and I'm back with another video. Today, we're gonna go deeper into our Becoming a Sneaker Plug series, and we're gonna talk about the different types of bots for people who aren't really hip. So last video, we went over if botting is even worth it, and my answer was, of course, I think it is over the long term, okay? We talked about the fact that it was a little pricey and difficult to learn, but in the end, worth it. You know how we do, let's jump right into it. All right, first, what we're gonna talk about is demandware bots, okay? So sites like Yeezy Supply, sites like Adidas, okay? These sites are queue based, and what they do is they randomly select people waiting in the queue to come in and buy. So if you copped some Yeezys online before and you had to sit in sort of that virtual waiting room, and then you get chosen, and then it gives you a chance to check out. So this type of bot, the demandware bot, specializes in that. All right, so that brings us to the second bot, and honestly the most common bot, and that's the all-in-one bot. Now they actually support many sites, but here's the kicker: it doesn't really perform the best on each site it supports. So it's just like it's better to do one thing great than a bunch of things average. That's the all-in-one bot, all in one sentence. These type of bots, like I said, they support everything: Shopify sites, the Foot Locker sites, Champs, even the demandware type sites that I mentioned earlier. Its Shopify feature is decent, and we're going to get into that here in a little bit, but they are above average when it comes to Foot Locker, Foot Action, and places like Yeezy Supply. All right, so the next type of bot, the Foot Site bot. All right, the Foot Site bot, which you've heard me say in this video a couple times, is the East Bay bots, Foot Action, Foot Locker, stuff like that, right? Now, here's the thing: there aren't any Foot Site only bots. All right, they're usually packaged in the all-in-one bots that I spoke on earlier, and like I said, most all-in-one bots do excel or are at least above average on these type of websites. Now here's the thing that you got to be careful for with those: payment verification cancels is through the roof with those type of sites, okay? So please be sure that you're prepared for that. All right, here's one of my favorite type of bots, all right? And these are Shopify bots. And for those who don't know, Shopify is basically an e-commerce site that me or you could actually use and set up and start selling things on, right? Kith, Undefeated, Palace, Bodega, places like that are Shopify sites. Now people say it's the most difficult type of site to bot, and that the bots that do well are the most expensive, okay? So those Shopify bots, they are hard to come about for a decent price, but I can tell you that if you can get your hands on one, then you've struck gold, because when you get those working, you can almost count on getting those cops. The last type of bot that I'm gonna go over with y'all today are raffle bots, all right? And this one, I actually got a lot of questions about this in the comments. Raffle bots are used to enter raffles in a bulk amount, okay? Now here's the difficult part, is that you're gonna need a bunch of unique emails and proxies, which cost money in order to do so. Now many places still do raffles, and they're almost impossible for a normal person like me or you to just win, on a lucky shot. Now raffle bots are super saturated, and like I said, you need a bunch of proxies, a bunch of Gmail accounts, and you're gonna have to enter some captchas. Now here's the thing about captchas: how is a robot gonna tell me that I'm a robot? Now here's the thing: raffle botting is not for everybody. Once again, it takes a lot of work, a lot of patience, and honestly, for something that's not guaranteed, a lot of people would frown upon that. So that was it today, man. I just wanted to go over the different types of bots. I know a lot of people in the comments been asking me what type of bots to get, what type of bots should they use, and so do a little research, explore these different types of bots. Let me know in the comments which ones y'all find, and let me know in the comments what y'all want to see next. So that's gonna wrap it up for today, man. I just wanted to give y'all a quick update. Love everybody out there. Let's get it.